This presentation introduces the paper entitled Accessibility in the Metaverse, a rapid review of the literature, accepted for the XR4Edu Workshop at ACM IMX 2025. The Metaverse gained popularity with the rebranding of Meta, and since then, headsets, multimodal devices, and applications with immersive experiences have evolved and been applied in various domains such as marketing, education, and industry, among others. However, we question whether individuals with disabilities are also able to have immersive experiences. For this reason, we conducted a rapid review to identify the state of the art in accessibility within the metaverse. Rapid reviews are aimed to deliver evidence in a timely manner with lower costs. From 145 studies identified in the Scopus search engine, 141 studies were excluded, resulting in 4 articles for data extraction. We analyzed the literature from 3 research questions. Research question 1. How do studies contribute to accessibility in the metaverse? The objective of this question is to identify how the works contribute to accessibility for people with disabilities in the metaverse. We identified 3 main contributions: proposal of a software architecture based on the principles of universal design, aimed at creating an accessible and inclusive environment that can be used by people of different ages and abilities. Metaverse as an intervention to investigate the effectiveness of a VR-based life skills training program for individuals with intellectual disabilities, and manifesto as a set of guidelines and best practices for designing immersive digital environments that promote inclusion, diversity, equity, accessibility, and safety. Research question 2. What are the types of accessibilities covered in the metaverse? The analyzed studies highlight the metaverse's ability to address different types of accessibility, ranging from specific needs of children with autism spectrum disorder and individuals with intellectual disabilities to broader principles of universal design. We identified 3 main types. Universal accessibility, addressing a wide range of accessibility issues, focusing on principles of inclusion and universal design. Intellectual disability, addressing intellectual disability, which is defined by significant limitations in intellectual functioning and adaptive behavior. Autism spectrum disorder, addressing neurodevelopmental condition characterized by significant difficulties in social communication. And finally, research question 3. What are the most frequently applied research methods, and in what study context? We identified 2 main types. Controlled experiments. Studies used randomized controlled trial design to investigate the research questions. Literature reviews. Studies conducted a comprehensive literature review to develop the proposals. After the analyses, we identified several gaps and challenges in the field of accessibility within the metaverse. 3 main issues emerged from the findings of this review. Ambiguity. A significant ambiguity was found in the use and definition of the term accessibility among the articles. While some works addressed human limitations, others' works focused on technological limitations, such as inadequate infrastructure for people to access the internet via Wi-Fi. Disability coverage. As a result of the ambiguity problem previously discussed, the number of studies found in this review was very low. Assistive technologies for the metaverse. The absence of studies focused exclusively on the development and application of assistive technologies. Technologies such as screen readers, alternative input devices, brain-computer interface, and haptic feedback are fundamental for enabling people with various disabilities to fully participate in virtual environments. Despite the ambiguity in the definition of accessibility and low article coverage, we concluded that it is very important to fill in the gaps in initiatives aimed at breaking down barriers to enable access for people with disabilities. Examples of such initiatives include the development of assistive technologies for the metaverse, such as screen readers and tools for colorblindness. For future research, we propose conducting a systematic literature review with a broader scope. Thank you for watching. We look forward to sharing more during the XR4Edu Workshop.